Coach Tauren, and this week we're going to build on a skill we learned last week, which is the lunge. However, today we're going to do it in reverse. So all you need is a comfortable pair of shoes. Let's get started. Okay, for the lunge in reverse, we are going to, instead of taking a big step forward, we're going to take a big step back, lower, and then we're going to add a little bit of movement to it, pressing through that front leg, step up, and bring our feet back together. I'll show you another one. And I'll show you on the other side. Remember, take your feet together, take a big step back, bend your front knee and your back knee, press up through your heel, and then bring your feet back together. Let's get started with our workout. Today's workout, we are going to do 4 rounds of 10 reverse lunges, 5 on each leg, just like we did last week. And you're going to have a 30-second break between rounds. Let's get started. I'm going to do the workout from the side so that you can see what I'm doing, and then I'll also turn to the front. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return to the front and switch legs. 1, 2, 3. Make sure to keep your chest up and keep your balance. 4, 5. Now it's time to rest. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return to the front and switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's time to rest. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return to the front and switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's time to rest. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return to the front and switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today's workout, we did 40 reverse lunges. I'm so proud of you guys, and we are getting stronger and more fit every week. What we're doing today is a cross leg hip stretch. So we're going to stretch these muscles right here as well as the IT band, which runs from your hip all the way down to your ankle. So what you're going to do is put your leg straight out in front of you. I'm going to start with my right leg, and I'm going to bend it and send it over the other side over to the side of my other leg. And then what I'm going to do is take my hands and try to pull that knee into my chest. And I'm just going to hold that. You should feel the stretch right here in your hip and going up the side of your thigh. Hold that for about 30 seconds. Bring that other leg back across, straighten it out. Always give it a little shake following a stretch, and then do the same thing on the other side. I am so proud of all the work you've been doing, friends. Come back next week ready to soar with Plane.